Hello students, I am Hirul Desai from Lakshmi Institute of Technology, Sarigam. Today we are going to learn Laplace transform. So in Laplace transform there is one topic, solution of ordinary differential equation with variable coefficient. So in this topic basically we are having one linear differential equation and by using Laplace transform we are getting solution of this equation. So basically here is one algorithm. First of all, your form of differential equation is in linear form. We are taking Laplace transform for that linear differential equation. It is converted into algebraic equation. From algebraic equation we are getting solution of algebraic equation by using some method. Then finally we are applying inverse Laplace transform for algebraic equation and we are getting solution of differential equation. So this is the main steps for finding solution of ordinary differential equation with the help of Laplace transform. Okay, got it? So for that there are some formulas. First of all, Laplace transform of y, which is ys. Laplace transform of y dash. So here is the formula. You have to remember s ys minus y0. Then Laplace transform of y double dash. This y dash it means first derivation, that is dy by dx, that is y dash. Okay, now y double dash. Formula is s square ys minus s y0 minus y dash 0. L y triple dash is equal to s cube ys minus s square y0 minus s y dash 0 minus y double dash 0. So basically how to use this formula? So if you are given linear differential equation, then instead of y dash, y double dash, either y triple dash, you have to put this formula. So for that we are taking one example. So example is use Laplace transform to solve the following initial value problem. Okay, your equation is y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to 12 e raised to minus 2t. Your initial condition y0 is equal to 2 and y dash 0 is equal to 6. Okay, so basically this is our equation. What is our agenda? Our agenda is solve to this equation with help of Laplace transform and solve the equation. So what is our step? First of all, we are having linear differential equation, then taking Laplace transform and convert it into algebraic equation. So our first step, taking Laplace transform of the both sides. Okay, in this equation taking Laplace transform of both sides. So L y double dash minus 3 Laplace y dash okay, that is our first step. Now what is our second step? So I already told you, instead of y double dash y, we have to put formula, this one. So what is y double dash? S square ys minus s y0 minus y dash 0. So I put the formula instead of y double dash. What is formula? S square ys okay, instead of y dash Formula is SYS minus Y0 plus 2. What is Laplace Y? That is Y of S is equal to 12. Now what is Laplace transform of e raised to minus 2t? It is 1 upon S minus A. So 1 upon S, this is minus 2, so plus 2. So this is our second step. Now what we are gonna do in next step, that is from algebraic equation. हमने Laplace transform, then converting into algebraic equation. So for that we have to put initial condition given in example. What is y0? 2 and y0? 6. So instead of y0 we are gonna put 2 here, y0, y0, y0. Okay, what is y0? 2, y0, 6. So put the value. y0 value 2, y dash 6. Okay, now take bracket open. So 2s minus 6 minus 3 sys minus minus plus 6 plus 2ys is equal to 12 1 upon s plus 2. So what is our next step? These are the term of ys. So s square ys minus 3as ys plus 2ys minus 2s and minus 6 plus 6 cancel out. So this is only minus 2s. Okay, is equal to 12 1 upon s plus 2. Now from this term ys is common. So s square minus 3s plus 2 and ys, and this 2s this side, so it is plus. So what is our ys? This 1 upon s square minus 3s plus 2 into 12 1 upon s plus 2 plus 2s. So for that here we are taking LCM. So 12 no term plus 2s s plus 2 and this one s square minus 3s plus 2. Now what is the factor for s square minus 3s plus 2? 2 and 1, minus 2 minus 1. So s minus 2 s minus 1, and this LCM is also there, s plus 2. Okay, now multiplication of these two terms. What is this? ys. So our next step is finding value of ys. So ys is equal to 12 plus 2s s plus 2 s minus 2 s minus 1 s plus 2. So here 12 2s square plus 2 into 2 4s. Okay, here s minus 2 s minus 1 s plus 2. So 2s square plus 4s plus 12 s minus 1 s minus 2 and s plus 2. So what is the value of this? ys. So our equation is converted into algebraic form. Now for that, finding value of this. So we are taking partial fraction method. So by partial fraction method. So how gonna we apply partial fraction method? So you know about that, if your factors, these factors are distinct and real, that means all factors are different. So for that, what is our partial fraction method? ys is equal to taking a upon s minus 1 plus b upon s minus 2 plus c upon s plus 2. Okay. Then we have to find out value of ABC. How? By taking LCM. Now what is ys? Write down 2s square plus 4s plus 12. S minus 1, s minus 2, s plus 2. Okay. Now take LCM. So here s minus 1 is there, but s minus 2 and s plus 2. So multiply with that. Same for b. S minus 2 is there. These two terms are not there. So multiply. And plus C. S minus 1, S minus 2. Upon S minus 1, S minus 2, S plus 2. So this gonna be cancelled out. So you are having 2s square plus 4s plus 12 is equal to a into s minus 2, s plus 2 plus b into s minus 1, s plus 2 plus c into s minus 1, s minus 2. Okay. Give it equation number 1. Now, what is our first factor? S minus 1. So, taking s is equal to 1, then plus 2 and minus 2. We are getting value of ABC. So, taking s is equal to 1 in equation number 1. What we get? 2 plus 4 plus 12 is equal to a. Instead of s, we have to put 1. Here 1 minus 1 0. Same 1 minus 1 0. So these two values are 0. So 12 plus 4 16 plus 2 18 is equal to a 2 minus 1 and 3. Okay. So basically minus 3a is equal to 18. So what is the value of a? Minus 6. Now taking what? S is equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay. So if I take S is equal to 2, 2 into 2 square 4 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 12. Here 2 minus 2 0. So first term is 0 plus B 2 minus 1 2 plus 2 plus same 0. So what? 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 12 that is 28 is equal to 2 minus 1 1, 2 plus 2 4, 4 into 1 so 4b. So b is equal to 7. Okay. Now finding value for C. So taking here minus 2. S is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. In this equation minus 2. So 2 minus 2 square plus 4 minus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0 0 and C minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 square which is 4. 8 minus 8 plus 12 is equal to 0 plus 0 plus C minus 2 minus 1 that is minus 3 and minus 4. So 4 3 is a 12. Here 8 8 cancel out. So 12 is equal to minus minus obviously plus. So C is equal to 1. Now put value of ABC in YS. So YS is equal to, what is YS? I write down S minus 1 plus B S minus 2 plus CS plus 2. Now what is value of A? Value of A is minus 6. So minus 6 S minus 1. B is 7 and C is 1. Okay. So this is our YS. Now what is our last step? Our last step is applying Laplace inverse, which I told you before. This one. I recall the step. First of all, we are having linear differential equation. Applying Laplace transform both side, we are getting algebraic equation. Then we are getting solution of algebraic equation. Then what is our last step? Inverse Laplace transform. That is, we have to apply inverse Laplace transform. So taking inverse Laplace transform of both sides. Okay, here Laplace inverse ys is equal to minus 6 is constant, so take outside. Laplace inverse 1 upon s minus 1 plus 7 Laplace inverse 1 upon s minus 2 plus Laplace inverse 1 upon s plus 2. So Laplace inverse is yt, because this is inverse, so simple Laplace is in the form of t, minus 6. Now what is Laplace inverse 1 upon s minus 1? That is e raised to minus at, and a is your 1 minus 1, so e raised to t plus 7, same 1 upon s minus a, e raised to at, e raised to a is your 2t plus e raised to minus 2t. So this is our solution. So basically, what is example? In example, first of all, you are having your equation, differential equation with initial condition. Take Laplace transform of both sides. Okay, then applying formula. If in example y double dash, then put y double dash value, y dash then y dash. Whatever the y double dash, y dash या y is given, you have to apply formula for that. So applying formula, you have to find out value of ys. Okay, I repeat, taking Laplace inverse, then convert into ys. Then after ys, what we are doing? After ys, value of ys, applying by partial fraction method, you are getting value of your ABC. Then put value of ABC in your equation, then taking Laplace inverse on both sides, then you are getting your final answer. So this is solution for differential equation by Laplace transform with initial condition. Okay, thank you.